Don't know what.
Damn, Kim, you got some long ass hair, bro.
Huh?
You said she has long ass hair?
Yo, no, why did you say that? Oh my god.
Why did you say that?
No.
You said
There was
that.
a
You
video-
said it, not me.
Hey,
Hey.
it's an
Ooh,
A.
ee, ooh, ah, ah.
Ting tang,
Ooh,
walla
ah,
walla bing bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ting tang, walla walla bing bang.
Already.
Have you walla walla bing bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ting tang, walla walla bing bang.
Why do y'all know that song so well?
What do you mean? It's a classic.
What do you mean it's a classic? It's not like Cotton Eye Joe. That shit long and complicated.
I like to eat.
I know this one.
This is a banger. What do you mean you don't know this?
What?
I like to.
I mean, this had a crazy bass line, low key. Toss it in the game. Why do I know this song by heart? That's so damn. Ooh, my farm looking kind of. You know what I'm saying?
Why isn't he hit? Oh, because he's dipping.
We go. Wait, this is worded. Wait.
But he doesn't know that I know that he. Stupid?
Dummy. Oh.
Oh, wait, actually.
He doesn't have ult.
Yes, he does.
McCall has no ult.
Back there.
No.
Oh,
No,
Pike?
I'm talking about Pike. Pike has no arm.
Oh,
Yeah, he has no arm. He used it on me mid when he killed me. So, a very short amount of time ago.
Wait.
hello.
Why did the echo go the way he went?
Why he do that?
Never mind.
Why he do that?
Kill him.
AC 20.
The rat's dipping. Like,
Yow?
You didn't know that.
Yow?
I literally, if I had
Come here,
flash
monkey. Come here,
now-
monkey.
Okay.
Monkey. Yeah, monkey.
Alright, Jacoby, can I
Oh.
one shot this Pike? Yes, no.
oh,
Hey.
for sure, 100%. Pike stuff. So he might like do some weird stuff.
Oh no.
You missed.
That sucked. This nigga's
Wow, no, you definitely could have one-shotted him 100%. Oh,
got
I'm
him,
coming.
Alright.
Not katakana yet though.
I want theirs to step on me.
What?
Huh?
Not actually, not actually.
That's
Wait.
cat.
Alright,
You know
I already
what
cooked-
What do you mean that's cat?
Grass down.
If he tries to step on me, I'm gonna beat his fucking ass. Shut the fuck up, Dylan.
It is thresh.
Wow.
Whip you like you're a black man. Shut your ass up.
Guys, this is what we are turning Kim into.
Fresh will fuck you up.
And Puz has a whip, don't he? Yeah,
Your
you know
mama
what he
has
used
a
that
whip.
for. Shut up.
$5.
No, I stand at 6.
What is this?
Dummy, my flaccid penis is longer than that.
What? Stanley?
Excuse me?
You guys, I think it's time to call it a day.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
The guy there?
Whoa.
Who is that guy there? Wait, who's gonna be the boss?
Jacoby.
Dylan, why are you here?
Shut up.
Who are you?
Are they good? Oh, whoa.
No, yo, they're bored.
Is that massive?
What? Never,
So far.
Never heard that, Kim?
I'll pull my panties down like a hoe.
No fun for him.
I will give up my farm to attack him.
Shut up.
What?
I don't think I have time.
Oh, wait. No, you have
Oh.
You have plenty of time, yo. Cap.
Okay.
And it's
What if it cuts out early?
And?
It won't
It's
cut out
drafted.
early. It cut out hella late while we
How
were
about
playing
we're
with the...
losing pizza?
Well, yeah, but it's just so random. Like, sometimes it really cut out at 11:45.
You're saying it's like there's really not people behind that.
So
Oh.
they manually go, alright, it's...
Yes.
11:45. Bye-bye.
Router be internet be gone.
So do they turn it off? Or do they, like, unplug it?
They unplug it.
Oh,
Dang. Damn.
So there is no counterplay.
No.
the Wi-Fi in here.
Yeah, you declined?
No, I didn't.
You declined. It
Yeah,
said.
you did.
Well, I'm still in queue. Okay, start
Oh,
it.
no.
You
He's
know
already
what
losing his
he's gonna
internet.
do. No lead class.
Matter of time.
So do I feel like it was...
Margie,
the fact
I
that
love your hair
picked
so much.
Irelia.
It's so pretty
you,
on you.
Queen. Thank you. I appreciate you.
It also
Fresh.
sheds like a motherfucker.
What? Okay, Dylan, alright?
Yes, okay.
That's what I'm saying.
I guess.
Okay.
Do I ban Kennen, y'all? Like, that seems like the only goon that really, like...
Why did you get so loud?
Me? Because I was moving real close to read all the champions.
Venus.
Did you just say Venus?
No.
Yes,
Yeah,
he
love
did.
True.
I heard one person say it in like all chat one time, and I can't stop calling Yasuo literally a mosquito champion. I can't.
What does that mean?
He's
No, it
literally
makes sense.
because
Think about it.
because sometimes if they int so bad, like if they have like no kills but like 5 deaths, they do 0 damage, but they keep going in. Really annoying. But once you get a good, like once you just smack them once, they're dead. They're gone. But they always come back for no reason.
And like their playstyle, they you can't catch them. They dash everywhere,
just
and then they
press-
sting
they
you,
keep
and then they
pressing
dash away again.
That way.
Physical lethality.
Yeah.
I say that like I go anything else on this champion.
Sometimes.
Get the no.
Huh? Get that. What?
Get the
I'm sorry,
crab.
Ryan. Let me come.
I'm coming.
A gift?
Wait,
A
you
gift?
low-key
There's
deleted her
Bird.
shit.
Bird.
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 Bird?
Bird.
What
What's the word?
Bird in the bot lane.
Bird.
Near the bot.
Bird.
Kind of.
Bird.
Bird is yours.
I hope.
That shit.
So scared. Out of it. Out of the wood. Out of the wood, bitch.
Yo, be careful.
Hey, Botland.
Oh!
We go in?
What?
Wait. Yeah, we don't go. Wait,
Oh no,
yes, we do.
y'all definitely go in.
I'll do it myself.
Wait, yeah, the minion's not in
I
range.
want it. I want it.
You,
Not even close.
you are not allowed to say that. You are clenching your ass right now. There's no way.
Not even close.
Oh,
My
dude,
hero.
man. I was
Wait, you don't have smite.
letting her have it.
I know how to use it to survive.
Stupid.
Yeah?
Huh?
Why?
What do you mean?
Why?
I
don't know,
mentioned.
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you have to kill it.
Wait, yeah, how are you 9 and
We kill her?
1?
Ooh, let me help too. Air assistance. I trolled, not me
Wait,
trolling.
no,
Okay.
Ryan.
Oh no, he got it. He got it.
Ryan's chilling, bro. Ryan's chilling.
It's not even close.
Best bard in A, bro.
That's not in the bush.
Wait, we kill him.
What? It totally is.
Oh, you dodged this shit.
Hey, get it! Oh, shit!
God his ass.
That did not. I might die. Not even close.
Not even
Not even
close.
close.
You are clenching your ass, you know? So
Not even
hard.
close.
7 to 23. I think we should do one more after that.
Yo, I know you did not get that candy out.
Yeah.
That's what that's
You do
called.
not have a space fire skin.
You got an
Oh, I
S.
got an
Wow,
S
Ken got
plus.
an S plus. What the-
Yao and I go hard.
Where's?
Shut up.
Don't you ever
That's
say
what
that
I'm
again.
saying.
What?
Shut up.
What?
Bruh.
Wait.
True. He did do better.
He ganked
He
once.
did.
Level what? Like level 3, 4, and we killed him, and then he was just out of the game.
No. I think what actually happened.
Dylan?
Dylan?
Yeah,
Me too. Me too.
I think I don't know how many times. Alright, I'm going
Not
to bed, by the way,
Dylan. Yeah, my
guys.
bad. Why do you
Good
have
night.
so many?
Good night, boys.
She's like,
You have more
Weird.
tabs than I have friends. What the fuck?
Her beard weird. Her beard
Why do you
weird.
have so many Jacob group?
Why do you have rank 2016 to
Click that
2017?
arrow.
What the fuck is that,
Cam,
Cam?
click that. I should go to sleep.
Dylan, you say this every time, but you never
And
go to
guess
sleep.
what I'm not ready
And
to
that's
do?
facts.
Margie,
Hmm.
can you confirm that he does not go to sleep?
Yep.
You don't agree.
Caught him lying.
No,
You
don't
already
agree.
exposed me for my shedding.
No, bro, I'm tired.
Fucking head hurt, yo. Oh, I'm so fucking mad.
Grr.